In today's video, we're diving into the world of data security on one of the most popular online form builders out there, Jotform. Specifically, I'm going to walk you through the process of encrypting your Jotform data to ensure that the information you gather is kept safe and secure. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Jotform website. Once there, you'll find yourself on the homepage of this powerful tool designed to help you create professional forms for a variety of uses, from surveys to registration forms and everything in between. To begin the encryption process, you'll need to access your Jotform account. Click on the login button located usually at the top right corner of the page. You'll then be given the option to log in using your Google account or another platform if it's already connected. Once logged in, head over to My Forms. This section is where all your form creations live. Here, find the form you wish to encrypt and hover over it. An Edit Form option will appear. Click on it. This action will take you into the editing mode for your selected form. Now, let's get to the part where we secure your form data. Within the form editor, navigate to the Settings tab. This section holds various settings related to your form's functionality and appearance. Look for the Show More Options button clicking. This will expand the list of available settings to include more advanced options. Among these options, you'll find Encrypt Form Data. This feature is pivotal in enhancing the security of your form by encrypting the submitted data. To activate form encryption, you'll see a toggle or a button next to Encrypt Form Data. Click on it. Subsequently, Jotform gives you the choice to either set a password or verify through Google for encryption purposes. Making this choice is crucial as it defines how you'll decrypt the data later on. If you opt for verification through Google, click on Verify with Google. This will open a new window where you'll be prompted to select your Google account, choose the account you want to use for verification purposes, and proceed. After selecting your account, you'll be taken to a page where you have to give Jotform permission to access your Google account for encryption verification. Here, click Continue. This action might sometimes require you to enter a code or accept certain prompts to ensure you're authorizing the process knowingly and to safeguard your security. You'll then be brought back to the Jotform settings, where you'll see a checkbox or some form of confirmation request to finalize the encryption process. Go ahead and give your consent by clicking on the box or as instructed. The final step is to click on Enable Encryption. This action is the culmination of the process where you officially encrypt your form data. Once you've clicked this, all submitted form data will be encrypted, meaning it can only be read or accessed by someone with the decryption key. That's you with your password or your verified Google account. Congratulations, you've successfully taken a significant step towards securing your data. This encryption doesn't just add a layer of security, but also builds trust with those who submit their information through your forms, knowing their data is being handled with care. Remember, while encryption is a powerful tool for data security, it also means you need to be careful with your decryption key. Losing access to it could mean losing access to your form submissions, as there's no way to decrypt the data without it. And that's a wrap on encrypting your Jotform data. By taking these steps, you've ensured that the information collected through your forms is securely encrypted, giving both you and your form fillers peace of mind. Thank you for following along with today's tutorial, and here's to more secure data handling in all your online activities.